PDF documents are one of the most common ways to share information online. Whether it's a product catalog, company brochure, magazine, portfolio, report, or restaurant menu. While PDFs are convenient, they often provide static reading experience that isn't very engaging for website visitors. That's where PDF Flipbook Heyzine comes in. This WordPress plugin transforms standard PDF files into interactive digital flipbooks with realistic page-turning effects, creating a much more professional and enjoyable reading experience. It's a great solution for businesses, educators, publishers, and anyone looking to present PDF content in a more interactive way. In this video, we'll explore the PDF Flipbook Heyzine WordPress plugin from start to finish. I'll show you how to create Flipbook from PDF, customize its appearance, explore the available interactive features, and publish and embed it into WordPress website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use the platform to create professional digital publications for your own website. So let's get started. Now we're on the Heyzine dashboard. Since this is a new project and we don't have any new Flipbook yet, to create a new one, we need to click on the new Flipbook button. And here we can drag and drop documents directly into the upload area. For this demonstration, I'll upload a PDF document, but Heyzine also supports other document formats as well. And after we upload PDF document, we need to wait several seconds. And once the upload is complete, the document opens in the Heyzine editor, where we can begin working with our Flipbook. Before we start customizing it, let's take a quick look at the editor. On the left-hand side, we have all of the tools used to customize the Flipbook. Here we can modify the page effect, background, logo, controls, table of contents, and background audio. Below that, we also have additional settings, such as password protection, lead capture forms, replacing the PDF, and copying the Flipbook. Further down is the interaction section, where we can enhance the publication by adding links, images, videos, audio, and web content. In the center of the screen is the document preview, which lets us see our changes in real time as we edit the Flipbook. And now that we've seen how the editor is organized, let's start exploring the customization options and see how we can personalize our Flipbook. Now that we have uploaded our travel magazine and explored the editor, let's begin customizing the Flipbook. First, I'll click the title in the Style section. Here I can enter the main information for the publication. In the title field, I'll write Wanderlust Summer 2026. For the subtitle, I'll add Explore, Dream, Discover. And for the description field, I'll write a digital travel magazine showcasing inspiring destinations, useful travel tips, and special holiday offers from around the world. Here is also private note field, which is only visible to the account owner, so it can be used for internal information, and I leave it empty for this example. I'll also keep show titles on the Flipbook's background enabled and then click on Save button. Next, I'll open Page Effect. This section controls the way the pages behave when readers move through the publication. From the first drop-down menu, I'll keep the magazine effect because it creates a realistic page-turning experience that works well with this type of publication. I'll also enable sound on page turn so that readers hear a subtle page turning sound while browsing it. I'll also keep page edges enabled because this makes the document look more like a physical magazine. The right to the left read option designed for publications that are read from right to left, so I leave it disabled for this English language magazine. And under more options, we can control this page disposition. Always double page displays two pages together, while always single page shows one page at a time. I'll keep adapted selected so that the layout automatically adjusts to different screen sizes. And once settings are ready, I'll click on Close. Now I need to click on Background. This controls the area surrounding the flipbook rather than the design inside the PDF itself. In the Image tab, Heyzine provides several built-in backgrounds, but here we can also search for another images, upload our own file, or remove the selected background completely. For this travel magazine, I'll select a simple background that does not distract from the pages. Here is also Color tab, which allows us to use solid background color instead of image, while Style tab provides additional options for controlling the way the background is displayed. Next, I need to open Logo section. Here we can upload company or publication logo that appears in one of the corners of the flipbook background. I'll click on Browse File and upload the Wanderlust logo. And after uploading it, I can adjust its size and select its position. For this example, I'll place it in the top left corner. Here is also Link tab, which allows us to make the logo clickable. For example, businesses could connect the logo to its official website. And the Icon tab, which also provides options for displaying additional branded icons around the flipbook. Here is also Control section, which determines which tools readers can use while viewing the flipbook. Under Show and Hide, I'll enable Download, allowing readers to download the original PDF, and also I'll enable Share buttons so visitors can share the publication with others. Here is also some sections that I need to enable for a more convenient way to use our magazine. Next, I'll open Table of Contents. This feature helps readers navigate directly to a specific section instead of turning through every page. In the Controls tab, I can decide how the table of contents and page thumbnails will appear. I'll enable the table of contents as a panel, making it easy to access without taking too much space from the publication. Then I'll open Table tab and add the main sections of the travel magazine. I'll create entries for Paris, Santorini, Bali, the Swiss Alps, travel tips, special offers, and contact. Each title will be connected to its corresponding page. Once the table of content is configured, readers will be able to click any destination and immediately jump to that section. The final style option is background audio. This feature allows us to upload music that plays while readers browse the flipbook. Background audio can help create a more immersive atmosphere, especially for travel publications, photography portfolios, and promotional presentations. However, the audio should be subtle and should not distract readers from the content. Below the Style section, Heyzine provides several additional settings. Password Protect, which allows us to restrict access to publication. This is useful for private reports, internal documents, paid content, or publications intended for a limited audience. I leave it disabled because this travel magazine is designed to be publicly available. Capture Lead Form, which allows us to request information such as reader's name, email address, or other stuff. This can be useful for businesses that want to collect potential customer details. The next is Replace PDF, which allows us to upload an updated version of the document without creating a completely new flipbook. This is especially helpful when correcting a mistake or publishing a revised edition. Finally, Copy Flipbook, which creates a duplicate of the current project. This can save time when creating several publications with similar settings. Now that the main appearance and navigation settings have been configured, I'll click on Save at the top of the editor and make sure all changes are stored. Our flipbook now has a customized title, realistic page effect, a matching background, branded logo, reader controls, and table of contents. In the next section, we'll make the travel magazine even more engaging by using the interactions. This feature allows us to transform a standard PDF into a much more engaging digital publication by adding interactive elements directly into the pages. We'll begin with links. This feature allows us to create clickable areas that can direct readers to external websites, email addresses, phone numbers, or even different pages within the flipbook. For this demonstration, I'll add a clickable link to the contact page that opens the official Heyzine website. This is a simple but effective way to provide readers with quick access to additional information. Next, let's look at images. This tool allows us to place additional graphics anywhere within the publication. Images can be used to highlight promotions, display company logos, or add visual elements that complement the existing content. I'll upload a promotional travel banner, position it on the special offers page, and resize it so it fits naturally within the layout. Another useful interaction is video. Instead of relying only on static content, we can embed videos directly into the Flipbook. This is particularly valuable for travel magazines, product showcases, educational materials, and marketing presentations. For this example, I'll embed a travel video on one of the destination pages, allowing readers to watch it without leaving the publication. We can also add audio to individual pages. This feature makes it possible to include narration, interviews, background sounds, or music that enhances the reader's experience. And finally, let's explore web interaction. This feature allows us to embed live web content directly into the publication. Depending on the project, this could include websites, interactive maps, booking form, online stores, or other web-based resources. Embedding web content provides readers with additional functionality while allowing them to remain inside the Flipbook. As you can see, this interaction tool significantly expands the capabilities of a traditional PDF. Rather than simply viewing static pages, readers can access websites, explore additional images, watch videos, listen to audio, and interact with live web content, creating a much richer and more engaging reading experience. Now that we've enhanced our travel magazine with interactive features and it is ready to be shared, in the next section I'll show you how to publish the Flipbook and embed it into WordPress website. Here we are in WordPress dashboard. As you can see, the PDF Flipbook Heyzine plugin has already been installed and connected, and our Flipbook has been successfully synchronized with WordPress. From this page, we can manage the Flipbook, customize it further if needed, copy its public link, or generate a shortcut for embedding it into a page or post. For this demonstration, I'll use the generated shortcut. Now I'll create a new WordPress page by clicking Add New Page. First, I'll give a page name title. I'll name it Wanderlust Summer 2026, which matches the title of our travel magazine. Next, I'll add a shortcut block to the page and simply paste the shortcut that was generated by the Heyzine plugin. Once the shortcut has been added, WordPress automatically knows where to display the Flipbook, so no additional configuration is required. Now everything is ready, so I'll click on Publish to make the page live, and finally let's open the published page. As you can see, the Flipbook is displayed directly on the page and provides a clean, professional reading experience. Readers can navigate through the magazine using realistic page-turning effects while enjoying all of the interactive elements we've added throughout this tutorial. We've customized the overall appearance by configuring the page effects, background, logo, navigation controls, table of contents, and other settings to create publication that matches the style of our travel magazine. We also enhance the reader's experience by adding interactive features such as clickable links, images, videos, audio, and embedded web content, transforming a standard PDF into much more engaging digital publication. Finally, we embedded the completed Flipbook into WordPress, allowing visitors to access it directly from website without requiring any coding. Overall, the PDF Flipbook Heyzine WordPress plugin provides an intuitive way to convert static PDF document into interactive digital Flipbooks. With its wide range of customization options, multimedia support, and seamless WordPress integration, it can be used to create magazines, catalogs, brochures, portfolios, reports, presentations, and many other types of digital publications. That concludes this tutorial on the PDF Flipbook Heyzine WordPress plugin. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has helped you to understand how to create, customize, and publish interactive flipbooks for your own WordPress website.